Captain Flo has arrived, the hardest charter. Let's go, come Flo. With Captain Flo, we're heading to the sea, the best fishing charter, where everybody's free. Fishing girls, music and good vibes, living that ocean life under tropical skies. With Captain Flo, the party comes alive. Riding my hand while the reels go wild. The best charter, there's no comparison. Let's got come Flo, got the whole connection. We leave early, breaking through the waves. Good vibes only, everybody behaves. Cooler full of ceviche and rum. Everybody on the boat having fun. Fishing rods bending and just roaring loud. Big fish coming up while we hype the crowd. Green snapper, wahoos, groupers too. Fishing over 1,000 feet deep with the crew. There's no stress here, only ocean and style. Once you step on the boat, you won't stop smiling. DJ playing, girls dancing while Captain Flo keeps the yacht gliding. With Captain Flo, we're heading to the sea, the best fishing charter, where everybody's free. Fishing girls, music and good vibes, living that ocean life under tropical skies. With Captain Flo, the party comes alive. Riding my hand while the reels go wild. The best charter, there's no comparison. Let's got come Flo, got the whole connection. From Miami down to the Florida Keys, this movie too real.